Hey y'all, so we're back and today we're doing just a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial because I finally got my hands on Shayla's makeup collection by ColourPop. So I'm gonna do a whole look with this today. I got her 2 highlights, the eyeshadow, I got her 3 lipsticks, her lip gloss. So we'll probably have like different looks going on, with some different lip looks at least. Okay, so if you want to see that, then just keep watching. I don't know how I feel about the lipsticks, and I think that's just because I don't like lipstick in general. The gloss is nice. It's very smooth feeling on your lips. It's not gritty or anything. The eyeshadows are good. They have really big impact and like nice pigment and everything. They blend pretty well. There's not too much fallout. Wow, I'm talking to y'all and I haven't even put my mascara on yet. And the highlights are really nice. I use the highlights, which one is this? I think this is Posse or Pose. Is it Posse or Pose, Shayla? Either way, I use the more coppery toned one versus the goldy highlight, and I like it. You can build it up, or you know, have it just be really subtle. So overall, I give this a solid A, especially for the price point. So if you have questions about what colors I use exactly, I'm gonna tell you everything below. It'll all be a link below to that collection and all the other makeup I use on my face, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.